my channel, The Sugar Shawn. I'm back for another video. I'm super excited about today's video because I'm going to be doing a bit of a double unboxing. I'm going to be doing a handbag video. I am supposed to be on a handbag no buy, but these bags caught my eye, and these are actually my first bags from Brandon Blackwood. He is a black-owned fashion designer. Now, I'm already a big fan of Telfar bags. I have 4 of them right now, and I'm always willing to add to my collection whenever they come up with new colors. So let me know if you guys want me to do a Telfar collection video and tell you guys my tips and tricks for how you can get some of those very hard to get bags. But today is all about Brandon Blackwood. I have a couple of their mini trunk bags. I like videos like this one. If you like luxury unboxings, dating advice, fashion hauls, you'll definitely enjoy my channel. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and while you're at it, tap that little bell. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. So I wanted to showcase everything, the packaging, my first impressions, and all of that. And I do have 2 bags that I want to share with you guys, and you're gonna be surprised because I'm actually trying to get more colors. I want a rainbow of bags. So I have to pop in a couple more colors. So I'm gonna be doing some new for me colors. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys up and show you guys what's inside. All right, so I have the first box open. It actually comes in this white box, nice hard box. It says Brandon Blackwood, New York on it. So I do like it. And it also has a little receipt down here. So you also get this little envelope that probably gives you, like, I don't know. Oh, it looks like a handwritten note. Let me see. It is a handwritten note, and it says, "Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece. Can't wait to see how you style it. Brandon Blackwood." That's cute. I like that. It looks handwritten, but it can't possibly be. But anyway, I have that. It also has like the Brandon Blackwood logo on the inside of the box. So here's the bag that I got. It has its own little dust bag. Packaging wise, 10 out of 10, okay? So here it is with a nice little drawstring bag that also has his logo on it. And here is the bag. Oh my goodness. Here is what the bag looks like. This is their very popular style. This is one of their mini trunk bags. Now it does have the little handles as well, but this is how it looks on the top. It has a nice little clasp for you to open it. Hopefully it's an easy bag to open. I do have long nails on. Okay, when you open it up, it has all these little packets. You guys know these little packets. And it does have the shoulder strap. But I really do love the bag. Now it does have like feet on the bottom. And there's like little coverings on the feet. So you can take the little coverings off. Like everything about the packaging is really high quality. Like it came wrapped really well. All the presentation, the note, the box, the dust bag, all of that is really nice. It's such a cute bag. I love the size of it because I don't like really big bags. Now I can even do. I can do with a bag like this, but it's a really cute one. I don't really carry a lot with me, so I think it's gonna be perfect. I don't know if this is the size of a cell phone. Let's check it out really quickly. I do have my cell phone right here. Let's see if a phone will fit. Now you can definitely do, I think I can fit my my key clay in here. Now it doesn't open extremely wide. As you guys see, it doesn't open extremely wide. That's the only sort of draw to it. And no, I can't fit my iPhone in there. So you can't fit your phone, but you can definitely fit a lot of stuff in here still though. Like you guys can see the little spot. Like it is a little bit tighter, as you guys can see, but you can fit a key clay, you can fit a card case, you can fit lipstick, a compact, all that kind of stuff. All right, so I've added the strap, and I really do love this bag. I think it's so cute. Now you can adjust the strap, which I think is really great because I am on the shorter side, so I like an adjustable strap for my height because you want it to fall on your hip perfectly. All right, so here is the second bag right here. Let's go right to the back. I already showed you guys the envelope and all of that. And here is the bag in here. I'm excited because I've been wanting this particular color and it's been sold out. And when I got the email telling me it was back in stock, I rushed to get it within like 5 minutes. Let's see what this one's wrapped a little bit differently, as you guys can see. This one has tissue paper all over it. And it's a Brandon Blackwood tissue paper wrapped all over it. So it's wrapped a little differently. Oh. The color! Ooh, look at this, beautiful. Hopefully my camera will do it justice. The color on, there you go. This beautiful color with the gold hardware, that orange with that gold together is magical. Oh, So pretty. Okay, so both bags are beautiful as you guys could see, but I am in love with this one so much. I think it's just a bright, bold color. It's gonna look so good as your pop of color with anything neutral that you want to wear with your tans, your beiges. I also love the look of orange with like olive green. I love that pop of color, but it's just a really beautiful bag, and the gold hardware on this bag just really makes the orange pop. I do have the strap on this one, also comes with an adjustable strap on it. I just love these bags. They're super, super cute. Definitely worth the money. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know which one was your favorite, or would you be getting any Brandon Blackwood bags, or who are your favorite black owned designers? I've been seeing great fashion from a black owned designer named Hanifa. I've been seeing so many of the fashion girlies rocking her clothes, and we'll see if I can elevate to that point. Right now I'm a handbag girl through and through, so I'm all about the bags, and I'm not sure if she has bags yet. But anyway, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did. Let me know which one you guys thought was your favorite. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. This is Honey.